So our chauffeur for today, guys. Si Gob.
Shift 1. Shift 2 ma'am, si Pops. Ay, thank you Lord. Ano mga pagpahinga na. Okay.
Oo nga, parang pan-general uniform nila. No?
Hey guys.
Over lang ni Gob.
Diba? Kami po ay ngayon ay maglalakbay patungo. Malaysia naman po. Maglalakbay.
Saan ang kal?
Sa Malaysia.
Check out na kami, guys.
Yun lang. Ito pala yun.
So anong sabi, Gob?
Wala man lang eh, ano, check mo na yun.
Gob, anong sabi?
Wala. Thank you.
Itinakas natin yung
Governor na governor ang dati.
Passenger princess, diba?
Ay.
Pak na pak! Si governor.
Ngayon,
City ngayon tayo eh.
si congressman, siya ngayon ang chauffeur. Si mayor, tourist guide.
Ayos. Unless binatulog kayo ng umaga pa kayo.
doon ka nag-in Pops.
Oo, kasi nag-video ko kayo ng umaga, sineset ko sa cases ka.
Welcome to Batam Adventure Park. Hey. So, dito natin. Guys. Dito na ba tayo, Uncle?
Nandito na nga.
Sapagkat.
So we're here with the ATV. Ayan guys, nandito na kami at magre-rent kami ng ATV. Yeah, so another experience ulit guys dito sa Batam, Indonesia. So let's go. Training naman. Ready to get rumbled, guys. Ready ba kayong maputikan? So, ilang oras?
Meron ba tayo? Hello.
Hi.
300,000 and 30 minutes is 450.
Okay.
Hindi mag 30 minutes na. Ano?
Okay lang kung anong gusto nyo.
So we plan to play ATV or go-kart. Then we just go for ATV. And what else? 14 ano?
Ako'y okay lang. Sige, ano? Huwag niyo akong tanungin. At ako'y kalad ka rin.
Filipinos.
Yeah.
Actually, we just have 3 Filipino ladies from Luzon.
Ah.
Just this morning.
Oh. And what did they take?
They play ATVs and shooting.
Ah. Okay. Ah, the shooting one. Oh, ano? I forgot to take a video of you while you were you were speaking about the how we go about with the ATV.
So it's gonna be
Muddy.
jungle.
Yeah.
It's muddy because it's wet season. So you might expect very muddy and slippery track, but that's where the fun is.
Because I have my backpack and I have here all my.
We provide you a locker. Later you can lock it and you can keep the key.
Okay.
Yeah, no additional charge.
Yeah. For how about for our shoes?
Oh, for shoes, you can put in the locker or just put it here later. Maybe we just leave it here. Please settle the payment first.
Okay.
Here.
Hi. So can we pay SGD cash and card, Ken? Okay. So we're going to have 30 minutes for 4. Yeah, okay.
So 1.8 minutes.
We're millionaire here. So it's 1,800,000. Yeah. So excited na ba kayo, guys? Para malungkot kayo. Excited na ba kayo, guys?
Nahihilo ako sa kakaligaw-ligaw natin. When the other groups are starting, so you might wait for a couple of minutes.
Okay.
So they are actually they're taking 30 minutes as well. So we still have time, probably
Okay.
around 20 minutes.
Okay.
So if you wanna take a look, explore, feel free. If you wanna take a look at the archery, you can go there. If you wanna take
Okay.
a look at the shooting range, go there. We also have a paintball target. So if you wanna practice your
Shooting.
aim with paintball, we also have it over there. And it's the cheapest, the entry level. So we have every package we have. The cheapest one is the paintball.
Yan, Mayor, mag-sign ka na ng contract. Governor. So, this is our congressman. This is the governor.
Buying this.
This is our mayor.
This land.
This property.
So after you sign, this one belongs to us.
For the driver from me.
Ah, that's the driver
This is
for
the driver.
today.
This is grass jelly.
Yeah, this is nice. Yeah.
And this will be our driver next.
Later, bro. Don't worry.
So, anong pangalan niyan, Paige?
Yours, grass jelly.
Oh, masarap. Tikman mo na.
Above, pati tayo dito.
What our friends are, what our pups are for. So, naririnig ka mga conversation niyo. So, what are... Ayan. Sige. Ano, binuksan mo na. So, how was it? Masarap. Ano, gusto nyo? Yung bagay tunay na rifle.
Yung gamit.
Ah, sasakyan na lang.
Hindi pwedeng isasakyan na.
Yan, bibigyan kami ng buta, guys. Mabuti. Ayan, may helmet din. May locker.
Sabi natin kung dito hanggang Nongsa, 380 lang tayo. Wala dito hanggang Nongsa, kaya 80 lang tayo.
Ito yung shooting zone. Ayan. So yun, guys, while waiting sa aming turn ng pag-i-ATV, it's going to be muddy, sabi nung guide. So magsusuot kami ng kapote at saka ng bola. So yan, maputik nga. So maputik nga. So guys, while waiting for our time, so explore muna tayo, guys, dito sa ATV area. Ayan. It's going to be muddy, so akin munang i-video tong entrance. So welcome, guys, sa ATV farm dito sa Batam. Ayan. Nakasuot naman tayo, pero magbubota tayo, guys, at maputik. this one they also have archery, guys. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, thank you, brother.
Please.
Yeah. There's also archery here. Let's just watch. Ito, yung mga toy. Ang galing. So how many bows? How many arrows?
Arrows?
Yeah.
There's maybe 10 arrows.
How much usually it costs?
Cost?
Yeah. If we'll try.
Oh, for the try, 150,
50,000. 135.
Yes, for the 30 arrow.
Oh, 30 air. Okay. I'll tell my friends if they want to try. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, it seems like so enjoyable.
This is challenge.
Ah. Thank you. Thank you. Ayan guys, while waiting for our turn, tulog ang mga pallet pups. Ayan guys, magpalit muna kami ng costume. Ayan, susuot muna ng...
Ganito, tapos pag mag-booking kasi naman palos niya.
Ayan, so nagpapalit muna ang ating mga doktor guys. Babe, sarap dito. Kayo dalawa ni Uncle. Ayan, si ito naman na.
Really, yeah.
Doc. Nagpalit na kayo ng profession uli ngayon. Mayor, governor, congressman. Magpalit muna tayo ng costume guys.
Black sa pawis na yan.
Maganda nga yan nga. May pants din naman guys. Muna natin. Helmet. Hindi ko na ilan. Okay na guys. Masyado mo.
Missing 1%.
Yes.
Yes, also you already know. But our vehicle, we have 3 gears. This is forward, and then reverse. Okay, and then this is for the starter. We need brakes or brakes to start the engine. Then this is the brake, kill switch, and then this is the throttle, accelerator. For our safety, make sure we do not use sudden movement. Please increase it gradually, slowly, until you get the hang of it, and then you can try. Okay, ready? Ready!
Hop, tingin-tingin muna dyan. Kaway-kaway before you start. So, mga paps, so how's the experience? Amazing. So, uulit pa. Paige, lumabas ka at hindi ka makita. Yan.
Operation, guys! Successful
Operation.
operation.
Yeah. Gusto yung tumayo muna
Ayun,
din.
pwede. Pwede, kahamit.
3.
Amazing! Amazing! I congrats for the gold medal.
Thank you. Amazing, bro.
Thank you, brother. Really nice. Amazing.
Okay.
Tumalikod ka, uncle. Dali. Tignan mo. Pare-pareho ko yung mga nagahasan.